Good morning to all. In the before classes, we all completed the all the problems which is related to the ABC exercise. Now you are going to discussing the problems which is in the and A exercise question number 22 and B exercise question number 10 and C exercise there is no any theorem but one example theorem is there, that is sine rule. It is very important for long answer question. So today you are going to discussing the only the theorems. In this one, first theorems in the triangle rules. In triangle ABC you can take any triangle, there is the three rules are there. You can be prove the three rules using of the vector method. In the first year we all are solved, this is in trigonometric properties of triangle. In physics also some theorems are solved. Now we are going to discussing the theorems in vector method. What is the theorem? First one, in triangle ABC prove that what is that? A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. This is called the cosine rule. What is called this one? This is called the cosine rule. I need to prove this cosine rule in vector method. It is in your physics also. It is in first year properties of triangle also. But here you need to prove it is by vector method only. For that purpose, first of all, I am consider a triangle. What type of triangle? ABC with vertices A, B, C. Suppose it is the vertices A means it is the angle A and it is the angle B and it is the angle C generally. Okay. Now I need to convert this triangle to the vector method. So consider AB bar is equal to C opposite C bar and BC bar as A bar and CA bar is equal to B bar. CA bar is equal to B bar. First of all, what is that? Consider a triangle ABC with sides AB bar is equal to C bar, BC bar is equal to A bar and CA bar is equal to B bar. You just observe here, AB bar means the vector is coming inside, BC bar means the direction is going to the outside. So automatically it cannot be become the angle. The angle is pi minus B. So these two vector angle, what is that? Pi minus B. The angle between C bar, A bar, what is that? Pi minus B. Similarly, the angle between A bar, B bar is also pi minus C because it is going to the outside direction. Both are outside. Similarly, that is also angle, what is that? Pi minus A. Very most important concept for all these three terms. This is the only important thing. Because the vector directions are opposite to each other, so you need to take the outer angles, not in the inner angle. So if the inner angle is B means the outer angle is pi minus B. What you did the consider C? What you did the writer? Consider a triangle ABC with the sides AB bar is equal to C bar, BC bar is equal to A bar and CA bar is equal to B bar respectively. This is that common for theorems. Now we know that what is the condition, you know? Already in the first exercise question number 9 or 10 we are discussing sum of the sides of any nth degree closed polygon always is zero vector, null vector. So it is a 3 means 3 vector, sum of the 3 sides is 0, 4 means sum of these 4 sides are 0. If it is in the n side means polygon means sum of the n sides is 0. So it is a triangle means what will be happen? AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar is equal to 0 bar. AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar is equal to 0 bar. But AB bar, what you taken that AB bar is C bar plus BC bar means A bar, CA bar means B bar is equal to 0 bar. Up to this is completely equal for all the theorems. Here only you need to changing according to the problem. So from here to here completely equal for three theorems which is given into the triangle related. So it is the cosine rule asking. So for this purpose, here what is that? A is there. So you just need to take the A that side. Means what is that? B bar plus C bar is equal to minus A bar. B bar plus C bar is equal to minus A bar. Now what I need to do? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Both sides you take the square. So what you can getting that squaring if you take means B bar plus C bar whole square is equal to minus A bar square. So in before class only you discussing what is the A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Similarly B bar plus C bar means what is that? Mod B bar square plus mod C bar square plus 2 into B bar dot C bar is equal to minus square means it is mod A bar square. Now take this can be written mod B bar square plus mod C bar square. Apply the formula 2 into mod B bar into mod C bar into cos of angle between B bar comma C bar is equal to mod A bar square. Mod A bar square. So that is B square plus C square plus 2 into B into C. So what is the angle between B bar and C bar? See, B bar C bar angle is not A, it is pi minus A. Here very important this one only. Pi minus A is equal to A square. So B square plus C square cos of pi minus A is equal to minus cos A. So 2BC cos A is equal to A square. This is the cosine rule. See, A square is equal to, you can write on the orderly means A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. This is the cosine rule. Just observe carefully what you did. First of all, in triangle ABC, we need to show that. What is you need to show that? In A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. So, for that purpose, I consider a triangle ABC with sides AB bar is equal to C bar, BC bar is equal to A bar, CA bar is equal to B bar. And sum of the sides of the all any polygon is 0 vector. So AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar is equal to 0 bar. So C bar plus A bar plus B bar is equal to 0 bar. So C bar plus C bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to minus A bar. Why I need to take a minus this A bar only this side means this is the question is given A bar. Suppose it is given B means then you need to take B bar. Suppose it is given C means you need to take C. So then what is that? If B given means A bar plus C bar is equal to minus B bar. If C given means B bar plus A bar plus B bar is equal to minus C bar. What that given in the question according to that only you need to take here. Here it is the given A, so you need to take A. Next what you did is squaring on both sides. B bar plus C bar whole square is equal to what you getting is equal to minus A bar square. So that is A plus B whole square, A square plus B square. 2AB means 2B bar dot C bar is equal to A square. So mod B square, B bar dot C bar formula you can be explained. This is the meaning angle between B bar C bar. This is the meaning what is that? Angle between B bar and C bar. The angle between B bar and C bar is equal to pi minus A, not A. So it is a pi minus A. Cos of pi minus A in the second quadrant cos is negative and pi means the functions cannot be changing. So cos of pi minus A is equal to minus cos A. Similarly, what is the remaining also you can be proved. Similarly, B square is equal to what will be coming? C square plus A square minus 2A cos B. Again C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Suppose in question this is asking means you need to take it here minus B bar. Suppose it is asking means you need to take minus C bar. This is the very most important 4 marks question for vectors one. In second exercise dot product this is. So what is that? In projection rule this is called the projection rule. And it is in your example question also. So very most important 4 marks question this one. Okay. If you all are getting means we will be go for the next theorem. This is the next one. In triangle ABC, prove that small a is equal to b cos c plus c cos b. This is called the projection rule. If it is a given means in the linked with bc. Suppose b given means what is that? A cos c plus c cos a coming. C given means a cos b plus b cos c will become. So the same concept that was. This is also same diagram, same concept up to here same. Nothing to changing anything. All the three theorems same concept you can be using. First of all, in what is that? Consider a triangle ABC with the sides AB bar is equal to C bar, BC bar is equal to A bar, CA bar is equal to B bar respectively. And we know that sum of the sides of any polygon is 0 bar. So AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar is equal to 0 bar. So C bar plus A bar plus B bar is equal to 0 bar. And B bar plus C bar is equal to minus A. Why again I need to take a minus A bar? Because it is a given A. What will be given into the right side of the left side of the question? That only you need to consider. Now what you need to take? Take dot product with a bar. Take dot product with a bar. What is that? Dot product with a bar means b bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to minus a bar dot a bar. B bar plus C bar dot A bar is equal to minus A bar dot A bar. You apply this one, what happened? It is B bar dot A bar plus C bar dot A bar is equal to minus A bar dot A bar. Okay. Now formula dot product, what is that? Mod B bar into mod A bar into cos of angle between B bar comma A bar plus mod C bar into mod A bar into cos of angle between C bar comma A bar is equal to what you can getting? Minus mod A bar square, because dot product of same vector is equal to minus A bar square. So mod B bar means B, mod A bar means A, cos of B bar A bar angle. B bar A bar angle, what is that? Pi minus C. So C into A into cos of C bar A bar angle. C bar angle what is that? Pi minus B. That is equal to minus A square. Again same concept. Cos of pi minus C. Cos of pi minus C means what is that? Minus cos C. So minus BA cos C minus CA cos B is equal to minus A square. So take minus A common. Then A minus common means what we will be getting? B cos C plus C cos B is equal to minus A square. Minus minus cancel, what A can be cancelled square. So finally what you are getting? A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Similarly we can prove what is that? B is equal to A means BC relation, B means CA relation. C cos A plus A cos C, and C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. These are the three theorems are related to the projection rule. The second one is this one. So first one is cosine rule and second one is projection rule. This is also same. See, in the question, if there is a cos, you must be you must be do the dot product, because dot product only cos will be coming. In the question it is a C cos B, so that's only you dot product. In before cosine rule also cos A is there, so that's why only you dot product you did, crossing on the both side. So this is the projection rule. The first and second, this is also question asking for the 4 marks question repeatedly, and that is also asking for the 4 marks question repeatedly. Next question we are going to discussing, that is sine rule, which is coming for the 6 marks question. Okay. Next, third one is, and prove that in triangle ABC, A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. So this is called the sine rule. This sine rule you discussing in first year in physics and both mathematics. In mathematics you discuss in properties of triangle, and in that is in into physics means what is that? It is called some Lemma's rule. In physics you can draw the diagram like this is. This type of diagram, one vector is A bar and B bar and C bar like that thing, summation. Such type of any theorem is there. Lemma's theorem is very important for physics also in first year. So the same theorem you can be applied in the second year. Here also very most important for 6 marks question. For this form theorem also, you need to write on the this script same. What is that? Consider a triangle ABC with the sides AB bar is equal to C bar, BC bar is equal to A bar, and CA bar is equal to B bar respectively. We know that AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar is equal to 0 bar. So C bar plus A bar plus B bar is equal to 0 bar. B bar plus C bar is equal to minus A bar. In just before only I explained that if in the question is there linked with the cos means you must go to the dot product. In this question it is linked with sine. So you must be go for what is that? Cross product. For that purpose only what you need to do, take cross product with A bar. Take the cross product with A bar. Then what can you get it? B bar plus C bar cross A bar is equal to minus A bar cross A bar. Okay. So what it is? That means B bar cross A bar plus C bar cross A bar is equal to same vector cross product is null vector, that is 0 bar. I can take this is the one side means C bar cross A bar is equal to minus of B bar cross A bar. C bar cross A bar is equal to minus of B bar cross A bar. So C bar cross A bar is equal to, come to the this side means A bar cross B bar. So this is the equal means automatically what happens? This magnitudes also equal. C bar cross A bar is equal to magnitude of A bar cross B bar. And we know that area of triangle ABC. What is that area of the triangle ABC? Half into AB bar cross AC bar is equal to half into BC bar cross CBC BA bar, that is equal to half modulus of CA bar cross CB bar. So that is half into AB bar means what is that? What is the meaning of AB bar? That is C bar cross AC bar. AC bar means opposite of direction, that is minus B bar is equal to half modulus of BC bar. BC bar what is that? A bar cross again BA bar. BA bar means opposite direction, that is minus C bar is equal to half modulus of CA bar means B bar cross CB. CB means this is reverse minus A bar. Okay, but you are taking to the magnitude, there is no effect for the this is one. So what I put it is half modulus of cross product means B bar cross C bar is equal to half modulus of it is C bar cross A bar, because two vectors direction changing means symbol will be changed, that is equal to half modulus of A bar cross B bar. In 3 1 is half can be cancelled because number. Apply the formula, that is mod B bar into mod C bar into sine of angle between B bar comma C bar. Always directly write down B bar C bar angle is pi minus A, that is mod C bar into mod A bar into sine of angle between means pi minus B, that is equal to mod A bar into mod B bar into sine of pi minus C. So mod B bar means BC sine A, CA sine B is equal to AB sine C. Next what is that? Divide with ABC. If you divide the ABC, BC will be cancelled. Finally, you can getting sin A by A. Here sin B by B is equal to sin C by C. Write down in the order. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. Just observe. I will explaining again what you did. In the sine rule, he is asking what is the meaning of the sine rule. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. The exactly meaning of this one means in any triangle, the length of the sides with opposite sine of the angle of opposite side. What is that? The length of the side means the ratio of length of the side with opposite angle of sine function always reciprocal each other. Means see, this is the A. This is the length is small a. So this angle A by sine angle of A, B by sine angle of B, and C by sine angle of C. That means A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is reciprocals are equal. That means ratios are equal. For that purpose, what you did? Consider a triangle ABC with sides AB bar is equal to C bar, BC bar is equal to A bar, and CA bar is equal to B bar respectively. Now what is that? Sum of the sides of any closed polygon is null vector. So AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar is 0 bar. So AB bar means you taken as C bar, BC bar means taken as A bar, and CA bar means you can take as CB bar is equal to 0 bar. You just keep the C bar plus B bar or B bar plus C bar here and take the A bar to the that side. Now in the question is containing in the sine function, take the sine product, cross product with A bar. So B bar plus cross A bar plus C bar cross A bar is equal to 0 bar. Why 0 bar? The same vector cross product is always 0 vector. So C bar cross A bar going to that means minus B bar. Minus means the direction is changing. Two vectors are equal means their magnitudes are equal. Here they come to the concept. In any triangle, before in cross product only you learning that was in the sides are given, vertices are given means triangle is ABC. That there only I say that was. You can be starting with what the vertices, you must be complete with that vertices only. So AB bar cross AC bar. Here BC bar cross BA bar. CA bar cross CB bar. AB bar means C bar. AC bar means it is a reverse of that was, so minus B bar. BC bar means A bar, it is minus C bar. CA bar means B bar, it is minus A bar. See, two vectors are interchanging means the directions will be changed. So minus can be become the positive. So C bar cross minus B bar is equal to B bar cross C bar. A bar cross minus C bar is equal to C bar cross A bar. B bar cross minus A bar is equal to the A bar cross B bar. 3 have the 1 by 2 is common, so I can cancel it. I applied the formula of modulus of A bar cross B bar. Mod A into mod B into angle between A bar B bar. So mod B into mod C into angle between B bar C bar. B bar C bar angle is pi minus A. C bar angle is pi minus B. A bar B bar is pi minus C. So this is BC sin A. Because 180 minus theta is first second quadrant, sine function is positive and 180 cannot be changing. So sin A. It is sin B. Sin C. Therefore divide with ABC. You will be getting. This is the A by B is equal to C by D means you can be written B by A is equal to D by C. Same concept applied here. So this is the sine rule. So very most important 6 marks question. Today we are discussing the 3 theorems which is related to the triangle. The first one is cosine rule and second one is projection rule and third one is sine rule. These 3 is the related to the sine function of the triangle. Very most important theorems, 3 theorems repeatedly coming to the examinations. So today prepare very well for these 3 theorems. See in the first example number first theorem cosine rule also in your textbook example and sine rule also in textbook example. Only projection rule is given in the question number 10 fourth main in second exercise. So this theorem 3 prepare very well and we will be discussing the remaining theorems in the next class. Thank you.